Welcome to this meditation on non-judging. For the next several minutes, we'll practice observing our experience without adding layers of evaluation, criticism, or story. This isn't about becoming passive or losing your discernment. It's about discovering the freedom that comes when you can see clearly without the constant commentary. So go ahead and find a comfortable position, sitting, lying down, or standing, whatever supports your body right now. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze toward the ground. Let's begin. Take in a full breath and let it go. And another breath in, releasing everything. And another breath in, allowing your body, your whole body, to soften as you exhale. Notice the weight of your body wherever it's supported. Feel the earth below you, supporting you, your feet on the floor, your body on the chair or the cushion. Bring your attention to your natural breathing. You don't need to change it or improve it. Just notice the rhythm that's already here. The cool air at your nostrils as you breathe in, the slight warmth as you breathe out. Just breathing naturally. Now bring your attention to whatever thoughts are present in your mind right now. Just simply observe them with gentle curiosity, like watching clouds drift across a vast sky. You don't need to grab onto them or push them away. You don't need to figure them out or follow their storylines. You're just watching, noticing, and allowing. If a thought appears, you might quietly note, thinking, and just let it pass. If you notice yourself judging a thought, thinking, I shouldn't be thinking about work right now, just notice that judgment too. There's judgment. And no need to judge the judging either. Just observe it with that same gentle curiosity. Staying with that natural breathing. Can you let all thoughts be here? The practical ones, the anxious ones, the random ones, without labeling them as good thoughts or bad thoughts. Just thoughts. Just mental events arising and passing, all in your awareness. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice wherever there are physical sensations. Where are those physical sensations present right now? Maybe there's tension somewhere. Maybe there's ease. Maybe there's restlessness or stillness. Instead of immediately trying to fix or change what you notice, simply acknowledge it. Just let it be there. Tension is here. I feel tightness. Restlessness is present. Just name it and let it be what it is. Can you observe these sensations without the story? Without, I shouldn't feel this way or something's wrong? See if you can let that go. What if these sensations are just sensations? Energy moving through your body, information from your nervous system. Not good or bad, not evidence of your failure or success, just what it is. Feel what it's like to observe your body with curiosity instead of criticism. Notice if there's a softening when you stop fighting what's here. Bring gentle attention now to your emotional state. What's present? Is there calm, anxiety, contentment? Maybe many things at once. Just notice. Without trying to change anything, simply name what you notice in silence to yourself. Like, maybe there's some anxiety here, or I feel tired. There's a bit of sadness potentially. Just notice and just name. Notice the difference between experiencing an emotion and judging yourself for having that emotion. You might catch yourself thinking, oh, I shouldn't feel anxious, or why am I always so tired? When you notice that judgment, just pause and take a breath. And return to simple observation. This is what I'm feeling right now. Can you give yourself permission to feel whatever you're feeling without making it mean something about you or your worth? Emotions are just weather patterns moving through. Sometimes they're stormy, sometimes they're calm, but they're always changing. You are the sky that holds all the weather. Now take a moment to notice something remarkable. There's a part of you that's been observing this entire practice. A part that can watch your thoughts, notice your sensations, observe your emotions, without being swept away by them. This is what we call witness consciousness, the awareness that holds everything. Breathing in and releasing on the exhale. Ask yourself quietly, who is noticing these thoughts right now? You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness in which thoughts appear. You are not your judgments. You are the spacious presence that can observe judgment without identifying with it. Rest here for a moment in this witnessing awareness, this clear, non-judgmental seeing. This is always available to you in every moment, in every situation. Staying with the breath. As we close our practice, take another full breath in and exhale. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Set an intention to carry this quality of non-judging awareness into your day or your evening. When you catch yourself in harsh self-criticism, just pause, take a breath, return to this simple observation. When you notice yourself labeling situations or people as good or bad, pause, get curious. This practice isn't about perfection. It's about remembering, again and again, that you have a choice. You can observe without adding the weight of judgment. You can see clearly without the constant commentary. And in that space between what is and what you make it mean, that's where your freedom lives. Take another breath in. Exhale. gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. May you meet yourself and your life today with clarity, kindness, and the courage to see what is exactly as it is. Thanks, friends.